Hello guys, this is me. I don't know what channel I'm gonna put this on, but I'm gonna go for a bike ride, and I don't know, maybe you guys will like that. It's hard to please people on here. I'm trying to figure that out. So, um, but anyway, there's my dog. Alrighty, we get going here. Just in years, you always have to do. Brought me a light jacket just in case, but I don't think we'll need it. I've been sick the last few days, so I ain't been thinking about YouTube. Like yesterday, I slept most of the day. So life kicks in. Thanks very much for watching my videos, my shorts and all that stuff. I appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, help me out a lot. Would you please like and subscribe with that notification bell for future updates? It'd be awesome. Got the bike all charged up. I live in the middle of the Manistee National Forest in Michigan, so it's like go to any big towns. Like our biggest town up by us is a 20-minute ride, so but that's okay. We have peace and quiet for the most part, and which I enjoy. I have places to run the RC cars up here. I have side by side I can run a bike. I like riding the back roads up here because it's relaxing. A little drier than the last time I went. I did a ride here in summer. Now it's spring, of course. And I did one ride, and the next day because the weather was crappy. So up here, you never know what you're going to run into. We have black bear, coyotes, the elusive cougar, supposedly, a lot of deer, turkeys, bobcats, a lot of stuff like that. So I redid my seat, adjusted it a little better for me now, and I changed out the handlebars. I put real handlebars on this. The e-bike's made to fold down. The trouble doing that is they put real narrow, straight handlebars on them, and I had a set of the other kind of handlebars. I put them on it. We're not going fast. We're doing about 12, 13 miles an hour. The problem is when I go for rides, it isn't like a 2-mile ride. Sometimes it's 18-mile rides. So, yep. This is my second ride at the 26 right now. So. Got my trailer unwinterized, water system flushed on it, and everything else. So pretty much ready to go. We got to reload it, but that won't take that long. Got my truck started for a big trip. I'm going to do the transmission, do the front rear diffs in it, and then of course the old air cleaner on it, put no air cleaner on it, and then we'll be ready to go. So, It's already had an oil change, so. This used, right in this area here, this used to be a mud hole. You could barely get a car through here. It was so bad. They put a culvert in it and they redid the road, which sure helped it. So. I think I'm going to do something different with you guys in this video. We're going to go to the Ojibwe burial grounds, and I'll take you there. Put new brakes on this last fall. I got them all varnished or wore in. So I put a big rotor on the front. It's got a 203 millimeter brake rotor in the front, and I got 160 in the rear. Sick, and I just want to get out of the house. Got the saddlebags loaded up. I didn't bring them water. I got about anything I may need if I have problems. Everything's on the bike, so I want to load it up and ride with it loaded, because when I haul it out west, I got to be kind of have everything with me. I ain't gonna have time to go to bike shops and stuff and get stuff. The only thing I really need to order, I'm gonna order it next day or so here, is how to get me a tube. Get me a tube for the tires and a set of levers. That's about it. I got an air compressor or everything else. This is an Ojibwe memorial on our left. We're coming to right here. This stump. In one of my videos, I talked about it. Basically, a woman, her husband loved fishing here, and this is a dedicated trout stream, and she did have some memorial, so nobody messes with it. We leave it right alone. And he used to love fishing here, so we just let it be. Give her respect. Yeah, I redid this seat, man. It's better than it ever was. So. It's a suspension seat, so. Yeah. Hope the shaking doesn't come up too bad in video. Didn't last time I did this, so the stabilization helped. So yeah, I got this bike late last fall. I think it was October, something like that, and I put 800 miles on it. I reset the odometer. It was almost 900 miles of riding. But this bike's been all over so far. It's been all over the upper peninsula of Michigan and everything else already. I'm going to be a little quiet through here and just enjoy the ride. It's prettier when the trees are all got green leaves on them. You know, it's being a summer here, so they got buds on them. They'll start putting leaves out pretty quick here. As a matter of fact, up ahead, I can start seeing some green already. So enjoy the ride. I'll get with you when if I see something nice or important. There's a turkey across the road. Finally stabilized. My speedometer is off about a mile an hour. I've had the wheel off this, but now it's reading the same as the GPS, my app on my phone. So my app has the altimeter on it, so it's kind of nice. Yeah, later on today I got she was a dear friend of me. She's been a neighbor when I lived in Grand Rapids, Michigan, and she passed away, and we were always kind of close as neighbors. My wife loved her. I loved her a lot as a friend, and I knew her basically most of our life living there. She moved out, then we moved out. We still kept contact through Facebook, and her daughter messaged me that she passed away. So I'm going down for the visitation. Unfortunately, I can't make the funeral, but I'll go down for visitation. So I gotta leave here about 5 o'clock, something like that. About an hour drive. It is what it is. That's life, kicks in. I treat every day like it could be my last, so but try to live it to the fullest that I can. So we do. Look here, got the big old fifth wheel in. Time of year it is. I did that for that reason, because I know it's going to throw some dust in. We're going to touch blacktop for a little bit here, and then we'll go back to gravel. I'd rather ride the gravel roads than be on the blacktop so much. So we're going to turn to our left here by the old house here. Not fast, but I don't know. It's relaxing. It gives me exercise. I know this is an e-bike, but yes, I am pedaling, and I haven't stopped pedaling since we left. So. We've done almost 3.5 miles, a little over 3.5 miles. Now we're going to go straight ahead down this gravel road. Miles right now.